Get ready with me using Spotlight's mascara remover. This is how the applicator looks like. So, plastic siya and one side has the ridges. So, the one with the ridges, yun yung gagamitin nating pang-apply. Consistency nito is oil remover siya. I believe this also has some nourishing ingredients so that as you take off your mascara, your lashes are getting some nutrients. You just really have to comb it through your lashes and let it melt. I'm just gonna let it melt. After a few minutes, ganito na itsura niya. Obviously, nag-melt off na siya. It's more recommended to use cotton, but as of now, wala lang ako nun. So, I'm just gonna wipe it off and let's see how much it would actually wipe off. Just wiping my lower lashes. I think it's better if you leave it off for at least 5 minutes. Ito kasi mga around 2 minutes ko lang siya hinayaang mag-melt. Sobrang konti na lang naman ng natira. See you in the next